Right, so we got the VFR today. Heap of shit. Trying to figure out why it's only running on 3 cylinders rather than 4, or if it's only running on 2, because you can't really tell just by listening that well. Because today you just can't tell that well. But yesterday when we had a look, we unplugged this plug here. Not sure if that's number 4 or number 1, whatever. We unplugged that one and it didn't change the engine note at all. But then it could only be running on that one there and that one, or it could be running on that one, and this one here. Not sure. A few people think that these 2 plug leads are the wrong way around. It's a bit difficult to get them the wrong way around, but it is possible. We don't know, but got some new plugs on me as well. Well, they're old plugs from the old engine. This one had a new engine about 3 weeks ago. And yeah, well, used engine. 34,000 miles in it. And the bike's got 91,000. Yeah. So just to prove it quickly, just make sure it still starts and runs. It's not in neutral, one sec. That's the VFR750f, if you haven't seen it already. Right, it's in neutral. Just to prove that it runs. But listen to that. You hear those backfires? We're trying to sort that issue there and make it run properly. That's the main thing really with it. And yeah. Well, first thing first, take the fucking seat off. Come down here to the helmet holder, put your key in, turn it all the way. And then you pull the little lever behind there, if you can see it. Pull that. And the seat should pop up. Like so. And then you've got all your shite underneath. Well, got a battery from a little 125 in it. Yeah, it still fucking rocks a treat. Don't ask how, because I don't know myself. That fuel tank bolt should be done up to something, but apparently not on this bike. You can see that. As you put that, where should we put all our stuff? We put them on the floor. Find a hole in the floor somewhere. There. That'll do. Now for that's off. I need to take the tank off, but that's. I'm going to need to put the camera down for that because a bit of a difficult one, that one. Right, tank's off. Actually, only took about a minute. Poured petrol on the floor. Nothing to worry about. Not sure how the fuck this fuel tap fucking works. Not gonna lie. So this is the plug that it stopped running on. So first things first, I'm just going to try changing those 2 plugs and seeing if that makes any difference to the bike at all. And yeah, let me just grab me tools. Yeet. That one wasn't done up very tight at all. No. And that one was done up to a normal tightness, but just shit. Ratchet there for a sec. And just don't know how I'm going to get these plugs out because I haven't got the little rubber thing in the plug tool. So I have to try and find a pair of pliers inside my dad's house or something. So that's where I am. Yeah, getting these plugs out is going to be the hardest bit actually. I need to find a magnet or a pair of pliers or something that'll fit in the L. The first thing I wanted to try was changing the plugs. There's the old plugs here, they're on the floor, they don't look that bad. Yeah, I've changed the plugs, just put the packs back on, let's see if it starts. And runs properly. It's still running rough. Now if I unplug this lead here, oh fuck, let me put the choke on quick so it stays running. It's not running on the cylinder at all. If I unplug it, there's no difference at all. So I've put a new plug on there, and this does spark. I'll just grab one of these plugs from on the floor and just show you quickly. It does spark. Let me grab this plug here, put it in quick. So we got to try and figure out why that cylinder ain't running. I'm thinking the packs are around the wrong way. The 2 coil packs. So the fire engine's completely out. We just start the engine quickly. Did you see that sparking? So I did. Big Team VFR now runs correctly. Fucking yeet. Turn the lights off because bands on. Fucking listen to that. see the chain snapped there, look. And the bike's still cold, I went and started it once today. And then you just turn the key on and everything comes on. Get it neutral quick. Neutral. Ah, choke. Man's new GSX, man. It's fucking peng, honestly. Twin exhausts. Right, it hasn't been started in about an hour. Right, just look at all the gauges and that. Right, key on, choke on, fuel taps on. Listen. Oh, now it's not even starting at all. Now it's being a car. Okay, now it's not even starting at all. Fuck's sake, what a cunt. Stop being such a fucking asshole. Right, let's try again quickly. See, it does that and just fucking dies. Why are you dying? You cunt. Look how peng that looks. And they look peng as well. Oh no. Now, I don't know what's gone wrong with the carbs, but I do know that we've made a huge improvement. It starts, even though it runs really high RPM. So I just need to sort out the throttle problem. And then, she's a fully working motor vehicle. Fucking yes! Been stolen. We've got Lauren and Reese out looking for tracks, but they've said they've just found tracks and parts of my sticker. We've got CCTV, we've got a photo of CCTV, I think they're at the other end. Yeah, no, the stone path's up there, isn't it?
He means the one that goes through the forest.
Oh, seen, okay. Anyway, we're just out looking for the bike because, yeah, hope we find it. Gonna film the whole lot, use it all as evidence, because you never know. I told them to wait where they are. Me and Rich are on our way to them now, because we're all looking for it. This is a fast bike.
I'm catching Pokemon.
I put a photo of the CCTV. Apparently there's tracks on my bikes and there's Reese, so let's just look. Right, there's Mark there, a very slight mark.
Where's the sticker?
There's parts of my 46 sticker.
There's bits of your wires, so they've ripped the front off. They've got to the front of it.
Yeah, so where have they
That's what you're working at. Because that's your tape work.
Yeah. They got wires, they got tape and everything.
I'll take it over then.
Right, so my bike's probably running because the wires and numbers have been ripped off.
Lauren's fucking investigating, bro.
Yeah. Fuck's sake. Just looking for it now. See, that's definitely my rear tyre there. Definitely. That's down the back. And then we've seen marks here. Look, you can see they've dragged the back end round. Dragged the back end round to there where it's all piled up, look. And then gone forward from there still. So fully come around this path. We'll find them, don't you fucking worry. We will find them.